Okay, folks, this is a 73 Fury 3, the 360 car. It's in really good shape. But there's a problem with the wiring harness is what's keeping it from running, and it needs a window. If anybody has a glass, we're looking for a glass. I think we're looking for a wiring harness. This car actually belonged to me at one time, and I made a deal with this fellow who runs this restoration business, and I traded him this car for some restoration work. This car is really solid. 360 engines make it going down the road pretty nice. Quarters are good on it. I don't think there's any rust on the car. Rust out, I should say. I don't believe there was. This would be a nice car just to have as a driver. It really would. So we're looking for that window and I think a main engine wiring harness for 360 73. Get you a look on the inside. Like I say, this used to be mine, but I reluctantly gave it up. Had too many projects at the time and had a repair bill at the shop. We worked out a deal. And there you have it, folks. Oh, that's a good looking body style too. I always like those little fuselage cars. Very nice. Okay, folks, we're going to end this video. Hope you enjoyed it.